Imagine a world where robots and artificial intelligence are so advanced, they could potentially outsmart humans. How far are we from this reality? Let's take a moment to ponder on this thought. What does it mean to have a world where artificial intelligence and robotics are so evolved that they could potentially surpass human intelligence? It's an intriguing concept, isn't it? One that has been the subject of countless science fiction stories and movies. But what if I told you that it's not just a product of imagination, but a potential reality that scientists and researchers are tirelessly working towards? Artificial intelligence, or AI as we often call it, is a field of computer science that aims to create machines that mimic human intelligence. It's about designing systems that can understand, learn, and react just like we humans do. Robotics, on the other hand, is a branch of technology that deals with the design, construction, and application of robots. These robots are often controlled by computer systems, and in some cases, these systems can be imbued with AI, allowing the robots to perform tasks independently. The pace of advancement in both these fields has been nothing short of phenomenal. In the span of a few decades, we've gone from rudimentary machines and basic algorithms to sophisticated robots and complex AI systems. Today, we have robots that can navigate difficult terrains, carry out precise surgical procedures, and even hold a conversation with humans. Similarly, we have AI systems that can recognize faces, understand speech, and even beat humans at complex board games. Now, imagine a future where these advancements are taken to their logical extremes. A future where AI and robotics are so advanced they could potentially outperform humans in many, if not all, tasks. It's a thought that is both fascinating and terrifying. But how close or far are we from this reality? To understand how close or far we are from this reality, we must first understand the journey of AI and robotics. And that's exactly what we're going to do in this video, so sit back, relax, and let's embark on this intriguing journey together. The journey of AI and robotics started several decades ago, with humble beginnings. Picture the mid-20th century, a time when the idea of artificial intelligence and robots was just a science fiction dream. Yet, in the heart of this dream, the first AI program was born in the 1950s, a checkers playing program developed by Christopher Strachey, a British computer scientist. This was a significant landmark that set the stage for the AI revolution. The 1960s saw the advent of robots designed for industrial use. Unimate, the first industrial robot, was introduced into a General Motors assembly line, marking a new era in automation. It was a time of exploration and innovation, where robots were transitioning from the realm of science fiction into practical application. The 1970s and 80s continued to see advancements, with robots becoming more autonomous and intelligent. The Stanford Cart, an autonomous vehicle, successfully navigated through a room filled with chairs in 1979. This was a testament to the growing capabilities of AI and robotics. The 1990s brought about a new wave of AI, with the introduction of AI in everyday devices. The world saw IBM's Deep Blue, a chess-playing computer, defeat the reigning world chess champion, Garry Kasparov, in 1997. This was a watershed moment, demonstrating the potential of AI to outperform humans in specific tasks. As we moved into the new millennium, the early 2000s saw the birth of social robots like Sony's AI Bo, a robotic pet dog, and Honda's Asimo, a humanoid robot. These robots were designed to interact with humans on a social level, bringing AI and robotics into our daily lives in a more personal way. From simple machines to complex algorithms, the journey of AI and robotics has been astounding. It's a journey that started with a dream of machines that could think and act like us. And while we've come far from the days of the first AI program and industrial robots, the journey is far from over. The future holds even more exciting possibilities as we continue to push the boundaries of what AI and robotics can achieve. Scene script. Fast forward to today, AI and robotics have evolved beyond our wildest dreams. On the chessboard of innovation, the pawns and knights of artificial intelligence and robotics are making strides that are nothing short of revolutionary. For starters, let's talk about machine learning. This is not just a computer learning from data anymore. We are now in an era where machines can learn from their experiences, improving their performance without explicit programming. It's like having a computer that grows smarter with every task it tackles. Then there's the world of autonomous vehicles. Picture this: cars that drive themselves, drones that deliver packages right to your doorstep without a pilot, and even ships that navigate the high seas on their own. This isn't some far-fetched sci-fi movie plot. It's happening right now, and it's changing the way we think about transportation. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the role of AI in healthcare. Imagine a world where AI can predict health risks, personalize treatment plans, and even assist in complex surgeries. It's a world where AI doesn't replace doctors, but rather empowers them to provide better care. That world isn't a figment of our imagination, it's the reality we are living in. Finally, let's not forget about robotics in industries. Robots have been part of the industrial landscape for quite some time, but now they're smarter and more capable than ever. They can perform intricate tasks with precision, work in hazardous environments, and even collaborate with humans in real time. The result? Increased efficiency, safety, and productivity. In the grand scheme of things, these advancements may seem like just the tip of the iceberg, and in many ways they are. The potential applications of AI and robotics are vast and varied, limited only by our imagination. Indeed, the progress we have made is monumental, but the journey is far from over. What does the future hold for AI and robotics? This question fuels our curiosity and propels our innovation. As we peer into the crystal ball of the future, we see the possibility of artificial intelligence surpassing human intelligence. This is not a far-fetched notion. Consider the strides we've made in the past decade alone. AI has mastered complex games, created artworks, and even composed music. The line between human and artificial intelligence is blurring, and soon we might find ourselves in an era where AI is not just an aid, but a collaborator, a co-worker, or even a companion. Robots, too, are set to become more prevalent in our daily lives. We're not just talking about automated vacuum cleaners or factory assembly lines. Imagine personal assistant robots that can help you with everything from cooking to childcare, or healthcare robots that can perform complex surgeries with precision beyond human capability. Robots could be our companions, our caretakers, our protectors. But as exciting as these advancements are, they come with a host of ethical considerations. As AI and robots become more integrated into our lives, questions of privacy, autonomy, and even personhood will arise. What rights should an intelligent autonomous robot have? How do we ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly? These are questions that we as a society will need to grapple with. It's not just about technological advancements, it's about shaping a future that is beneficial and fair for all. We need to ensure that as AI and robotics advance, they do so in a way that aligns with our values and enhances our lives. We're entering an exciting new era of innovation and discovery. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, we're not just creating new technology, we're reshaping our world and redefining what it means to be human. As we stand on the brink of the future, the possibilities seem endless. In our exploration of AI and robotics, we have traveled from the past through the present and into the future. We've journeyed through time, charting the course of these fascinating fields and marveled at their evolution. We started with a historical perspective, where we learned about the humble roots of artificial intelligence and robotics. We discovered that these fields are not as new as we might think, but rather, they have been growing and changing for decades. From the earliest mechanical automatons to the first computer programs, we've seen how both AI and robotics have been shaped by human curiosity and ingenuity. Then we moved into the present, where we found a world deeply embedded with AI and robotics. They're in our pockets, in our homes, in our workplaces, and even in our skies. From personal assistants that live in our smartphones to autonomous drones that deliver packages, the advancements and innovations we've seen are truly remarkable. Yet even as we marvel at what we've achieved, we also look ahead with anticipation and a touch of trepidation. The future of AI and robotics is both exciting and challenging. We've glimpsed what might be possible: robots that can learn and adapt like us, AI systems that can understand and respond to our emotions, and more. But we also know there are hurdles to overcome and ethical questions to answer. As we've seen, this journey is not a straight line, but rather a winding path, filled with unexpected twists and turns. It's a journey that requires us to be brave, to be curious, and to be thoughtful. It's a journey that constantly asks us to redefine what is possible, to push the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding. And so, as we stand on the threshold of tomorrow, we find ourselves both looking back at how far we've come and looking forward to where we're going. As we continue to push the boundaries of AI and robotics, one thing remains certain: the journey is as fascinating as the destination itself.